Now, let us discuss about free radical mediate cell injury. Free radical mediate cell injury. First of all, let us discuss what is free radical. Free radical is a chemical substance which contains at least one unpaired electron. At least one unpaired electron in it is called free radical. Now, what are oxygen free radicals or reactive oxygen species? Reactive oxygen species. Reactive oxygen species are the oxygen components or oxygen derivatives. Oxygen derivatives which are formed from oxidative phosphorylation in mitochondria. These are reactive oxygen species. Reactive oxygen species are the oxygen derivatives which are formed from oxidative phosphorylation in mitochondria. These are causing the cell injuries. Now, in which form the oxygens are present means these are present in superoxide forms. Let us consider this is one oxygen molecule. Now, this oxygen molecule with the help of enzyme called xanthine oxidase will get converted into O2 minus, that is superoxide. This is O2 minus form, this is superoxide form. By taking one electron, it get converted into superoxide form. Now, this superoxide form with the help of enzyme called superoxidase dismutase. That is also called SOD, will get converted into hydrogen peroxide by reacting with 2H plus ions. It forms hydrogen peroxide. Now, this hydrogen peroxide will get converted into OH minus form. Now, this OH minus form will react with H plus ion, will form water molecules. This is the end product of free radicals. Now, in our body free radicals are present. Now, these free radicals need to be neutralized. What are the substance or what are the chemicals which are used for neutralization of free radicals are called antioxidants. Antioxidants are the drugs which are used for enzymes which are used for the neutralization of free radicals are called antioxidants. Now, In normal condition, these antioxidants will inhibit or will neutralize the free radicals. This is normal condition, but in case of cell injury, the antioxidant number will get decreased and free radical number will get increased. Whenever this free radical count will get increased, then there is no neutralization by using antioxidant. Ultimately, in cell, the free radical content will get increased and will affect the cell, will result in cell injury. In this way, free radicals will mediate the cell injury. Now, free radical, let us consider the action of free radical. This free radical first of all will be acting on lipids. Now, so these are lipid soluble. And they will increase the membrane permeability. Membrane permeability will be increased. Ultimately, all the particles will be entered into the cell and results in cell death or cell injury. This is the first form, and free radicals will act on lipids and it will act on proteins. First one lipids, second one proteins. Whenever it will act on proteins of cell, and they will damage the polypeptide chain. Damage polypeptide chains. They will damage the polypeptide chains and results in inhibition of protein synthesis. They will inhibit the protein synthesis. In this way, the free radicals will act on proteins and will result in cell injury. It results in cell injury. And next, it will act on cytoskeleton. And it will affect the microfilaments. And they will also affect the mitochondria. They will affect the mitochondria and will increase the permeability of mitochondria and will increase the volume of cell and will result in cell damage or cell death. And it will act on cytoskeleton. It results in this cell injury. And next, it will act on DNA damage. Next, it will act on DNA and results in DNA damage. How this DNA will be damaged means, as we know that the DNA consists of genetic material, it will act on genetic material and result in genetic damage. It results in genetic damage. whenever it results in genetic damage, the results of genetic damage will be mutations. It results in mutation. And next type of damage of DNA is it will disrupt the DNA replication. It will affect the DNA replication and will result in cell injury. Now this genetic damage and DNA replication can be seen in proliferative cells. This can be seen in proliferative cells, and whereas in non-proliferative cells, it will act on also non-proliferative cells and results in DNA replication and results in cell injury. In this way, free radicals are mediating the injury, and there are not only the oxygen reactive oxygen species, there are another type of free radicals also, that is reactive nitrogen species. Reactive nitrogen species like NO and ONOO. These are also examples of free radicals, that is NO and ONOO. This is about free radical mediated cell injury.